Two young professionals are taking a leap of faith by starting a business in the middle of the pandemic. But as Spectrum News 1 reporter Tino Bovenzi shows us, they're more than confident their startup laundry service can iron out all the wrinkles as they go.
Jeffrey Caldwell and Charles Wheeler are dropping off clean laundry for one of their customers, but picking up more work at the same time. The duo attended college together at Miami University when one day a moment of frustration led to creation.
Charles just got home from working his job at Oxford TU and had a lot of chores to do, and one of them was laundry. He was talking about how he hated to do laundry.
That eureka moment led to the start of their own laundry pickup and delivery service called Tumble. Wheeler says it makes the task of doing laundry a lot easier, especially for people without washer and dryer access.
When you pay us to do your laundry for you, it's not just us doing your laundry. It's us saving you 3 or more hours a week.
Their business is already impressing in the Miami Valley. Tumble won the Wright Venture entrepreneur competition at Wright State University, where Caldwell is studying to earn his master's, claiming a $5,000 top prize for startup expenses.
And it's really nice to have the stamp of approval from Wright State that we are a legitimate business and that we are actually making things happen within the Dayton community. So that's a really big deal for us.
Although Tumble is in its infancy as a company, both Caldwell and Wheeler think the venture can take them a long way.
If this pandemic hasn't shown anybody anything, it's the power of being your own boss and what it truly means to have control over your life and what you're doing in it.
He says even the pandemic wasn't going to stop them from chasing their dream.
It put a wrinkle in things, but we learned how to adapt really quickly, to stay on our toes and become even better business people because of it.
For Spectrum News, I'm Tino Bovenzi.